What's up, y'all? This is Duana, and welcome to the corner of the glam room. I'm trying something different. We'll see if it works. This might be the only video that you see like this, but I digress. Anyway, today we're going to be testing the LYS Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. My face has been done with mostly LYS beauty products, and I'm really excited to share this with you. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. But before we go, make sure you click the subscription button and the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam. The Glam Fam is the most fabulous, the most glamorous community here on YouTube. And we have a lot of great content. We got great content that's up already. We got great content coming, and you don't want to miss it. So make sure that you click those two buttons. And without further ado, let's get into this face. All right, we're here in the glam room. I'm faced a different direction because I'm trying to do a natural light situation because those videos have been getting a lot of love on Instagram. So I wanted to see what would happen if I did a natural light setting in the glam room. Okay, and then also I haven't cleaned up over this side, so I didn't want to show y'all the whole back. Anyway, today we are going to be testing out the LYS Beauty Triple Fix Brightening Concealer. This is one of their new releases. I got this actually on Friday, and today is Sunday, but I had ordered it from Sephora a long time ago. It came before I went to Miami, but it was the wrong shade. So I went to my Sephora, they had the concealer in stock, and I was able to exchange it. So I got the shade TN3. The shade I had before was DG3, and that was very green on me. So I returned it, and now I have this one. And so today we will be using this to do our face. I'm also going to be using the LYS Serum and whatever LYS products I have in stock in the makeup room. And hopefully we can get a really cute look out of it. Okay, so let's begin. All right, so we are going to start with their Triple Fix Serum, and this is in the shade DG3. And I'm going to put that on really quickly, and then we're going to come back and use the concealer. All right, our foundation is down. Now we are going to pull out the Triple Fix Serum Brightening Concealer in the shade TN3. So the concealer comes in their signature triangular packaging. It looks almost exactly like the foundation, just in a smaller size. It has this really nice doe foot applicator. The only problem that I've had with it so far is that it's difficult to go back in. It's not super difficult, it just has a little bit of resistance. Just like the foundation, the concealer has key ingredients like hyaluronic acid that infuses dry skin with intensive hydration, turmeric, which provides antioxidant protection, and ashwagandha, which is a powerful herb that helps combat skin stress and visible signs of aging. This also has squalene, which nourishes skin and helps restore moisture, and watermelon extract, which is rich in vitamins A, C, and B to help revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. So this says to highlight, use the doe foot applicator to apply to the high points of the face, including under eye area and the center of forehead. Build and blend using a sponge or complexion brush. To spot conceal, concentrate product on blemishes, redness, or dark spots prior to foundation. So since I got a lighter shade, we did not spot conceal with this. We're just going to be using this for brightening. So while I'm waiting for this to dry down a little bit, I'm going to give you a shade comparison with this and a few of my other favorite concealers so that you can see where it falls in the scale. Okay, so this is the LYS. This is the Fenty in shade 350, NARS in the shade Caramel, and then Pat McGrath in the shade M20. So on one side of my face, I'm going to use a complexion brush. On the other side of my face, I'm going to use a beauty sponge. So here we go with the complexion brush. One thing I loved about this concealer is how well it blends into the foundation. They melt into each other like butter. I really didn't have to do that much blending for it to look really good. And also it's a really nice medium to full coverage. So after I let it dry down, it just gave me this really nice look. And on this side of my face, we are going to use the B. Taylor Beauty Precision Sponge just to see how a sponge will blend this out. All right, so here is the face prior to any setting or anything. It gives a really nice lightness. It does look very skin-like right now. I love that. I'm not going to put too much powder on it because I like the radiance that I'm getting right now from this foundation. I mean, this concealer and foundation combo. Right. So I'm gonna go on to the rest of the face and I'll just let you know what I'm doing while I'm doing it, and then we'll talk about the concealer at the end. This is the Empower blush. One thing I don't have from them is their bronzer, and I might actually pick that up in the Sephora VIB spring sale that's coming up soon, just so that I can get a feel for how all the products work together. I'm gonna spray my face down real quick and then finish off with the Aim High Pressed Highlighter in the shade Genuine, which is a nice rose gold color. All right, I'm going to finish off my face and meet you guys at the end. Okay, y'all, here is the finished look. My skin looks amazing. There's still some radiance to it. Even though we didn't use a lot of setting powder, we still put powder products on top of the base. This concealer and foundation, they work so well in tandem, and I'm so happy that I picked this up and I was able to showcase it for you guys this week on my videos. So I believe this is my third time using this concealer, and both of the other times that I used it, I used the one that was not my shade, and then I used this one twice, and both times my face lasted a very long time. I used this and the foundation together, and both times they were very, very long days. I was filming for a church, and I was up at 7 and I didn't get back home till like 1 or 2, and it was just like my face still looked really, really good afterwards. So I think if this is something that you've been in the market for, if you already have the LYS foundation and you want to use their concealer with it, I think it's a great buy. It's $18, which is really good as far as like a high-end brand, and it works very well. I'm really excited. This is a Black-owned clean brand at Sephora, the only Black-owned clean brand of makeup at Sephora, so go out and support them today. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for continuing to tune into the Glam Room. I really appreciate it. We're growing very, very slowly, but we're still growing, so I'm really excited about that. If you guys have any comments or any questions about the product, leave them below. I'll make sure that I get to them. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Liking this video is the easiest and the least expensive way to support this channel, and it helps get my content to other people who are like-minded. Don't forget to follow me on all major platforms at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.